Talumba Amara Elise from ASK JKS Cebu. This is the championship cup for 6 to 7 years old novice committed plus 20 kilogram girls. Yan.
First to perform, Miguel Capel. Last call for 10 to 11 years old novice committed minus 30 kilograms girls. Gigante Ashley of ASK Barili. 10 to 11 years old novice committed minus 30 kilograms girls. Please proceed to staging area. Gigante Ashley of ASK Barili. Ten to 11 years old, novice committed plus 30 kilograms boys. 10 to 11 years old, novice committed plus 35 kilograms boys. Last call, Pasay Nathan of SKS JKS Punta Princesa. Pasay Nathan of SKS JKS Punta Princesa. Dasha Barak.
Time. Winner. Aka. Sandra Leah Maris from ASK JKS Cebu. So, second bronze, Jim Anastasia Amber from OSSK Cebu. First bronze, Fernandez Heather from DKA Wapo. Silver, Talumba Amara Elise from ASK JKS Cebu. And gold, Soto Leah Maris from ASK JKS Cebu.